Hello guys, how are you? Today's topic is how the Americans are using AI to save 5,000 every year quietly. You know, most Americans don't realize this. They are losing thousands of dollars every year without wasting your money on luxurious items. Yeah, you are listening right. And right now, AI is silently helping the smart Americans to save over $10,000 a year. Stay till the end because the last method alone can save you more money than the most side hustles. First, we are focusing the problem. The problem is that between the subscriptions, credit, and the interest, the impulsive spending, and the bad financial decision, the average American leaks money every single month. Not because they earn too little, but because managing money manually is almost impossible in today's fast world. There is an AI completely changes the game. What's different now? AI doesn't get emotional. It doesn't forget bills and it works 24 hours a day. Yeah, Americans are now using AI like a personal money assistant. And here the exactly how. First method, AI budgeting. The first big way the Americans save money using AI is through AI budgeting apps. There are lots of apps in the Apple Store and the Play Store. You can hit and try what suits you. I am giving the what the budgeting AI it is and how to solve the problems on your daily lives. Okay, these apps are automatically track every dollar goes to the grocery, food deliveries, shopping, subscriptions, everything. Most people are shocked when they see that data. AI identifies the hidden spending habits, unnecessary expenses, and the money leaks you didn't even notice. Just cutting useless subscriptions and overspending, many Americans save around per year is $1,200. Yeah, you listen right, $1,200. And the best part, you don't need financial knowledge. AI does the thinking. Okay. The second method, the AI for credit card payment method. Okay. Credit card interest is one of the biggest money traps in America. AI tools now analyze the due dates, utilization ratio, interest impact. They tell you the exact when and how much you to pay to reduce the interest and boost your credit score. Okay, a higher credit score means a lower loan interest and cheaper insurance and the better financial offer. Americans using AI credit optimization save $1,000 to $1,500 yearly just by avoiding unnecessary interest. Third method is AI bill negotiation. This one surprises you, and this one surprises most of the people. AI tools are negotiate bills automatically. Internet, phone plans, cable, and insurance. Instead of calling customer support, AI contacts companies and negotiate on your behalf. Americans save $100 every month without doing anything. That's the another way to save around $1,200 per year and autopilot mode. Okay, the fourth method and the last and the very important method, you know about it. What is this? This is AI investing. The many Americans lose money because they invest emotionally. Yeah, you are listening right. They are invest emotionally. AI investing tools remove emotions completely. They analyze the market trends, manage risk, and auto invest small amounts and rebalance the portfolios. Even investing just a few dollars daily adds up the faster than you think. Americans using AI guided investing earn and save around $3,000 extra yearly compared to random investing. Yeah, why most people miss this? Most Americans don't fail financially. because they are lazy. They fail because the money management is complex. Time is limited. Emotions ruin the decisions. AI solves all three. Okay. Final message to all of you that AI isn't replacing jobs. It's replacing the bad financial habits. If you want money working for you instead of against you, start letting AI handle the boring decisions. And you know one thing, subscribe to this channel for smart money, AI tools, and the simple strategies to Americans